Sam. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You want to go? No! Sammy, can I have my shoelace back? No. No. Please. No. Please. No. Not this one, too. No. Ow! It's not funny. It really hurts. Sam, can I go now? Am I allowed to go? I need to walk the dog. No. Ow! God, he's got sharp nails. Sam, no. I don't know, he came to me like this tiny little kitten, and now I'm afraid to tie my shoelaces. This is absurd. Can you please? Ow! Oh, God. Sam! Oh, no. This is called communication problems. I want to go, and he thinks I'm having fun. I'm not having fun. No. I'm not enjoying this. Can I please tie my shoelace? No. I'm going to get shoes without shoelace. Ow, God. Shoshana, help me. I can't do anything. I'm scared of him, too. Shmuel. You want to tie my shoelace? Please. Can I go? Can I go, please, sir? May I go? No. You have to play shoelaces with me. No. Sam. Sam. Shmuel. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Na, na, na. Da, da, da. Let it go. 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 Oops. Oh, that's really. Let it go. Let it go. Do, 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 do. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Wait. So, how to tie your shoelace with one. I could let go of the camera, but this is too funny. I haven't laughed this much for a while. So, almost did it. Mickey Mouse ears. And one. I'll hold it like this. Oh gosh. This is when you know you're really addicted to making YouTube channels. Okay, maybe I'll do it with this hand. This hand is my hand. This hand is not your hand. No. Music is distracting, isn't it? Music soothes the savage breast. Wait, no. I'm not calling you a beast. So go after Shoshana, huh? No? He does have a long attention span, doesn't he? For an Israeli. You're not ADDH like all of us, are you? Well, pretty much. I'll do the rest outside. I did it! Yeah! I win. Oh! But now I still have to get past the shoelace. No, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere without me. Okay. You want me to put a leash on you? Huh, boo-boo-loo? Boo-boo-loo-loo? Lulu-boo-boo? Just say, so you know, his teeth are sharp as nails. Nails. Ow. No, 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 no.